Oh boy. Is that it? No, that's not it. You feeling feisty, Alfred? Puppy, you are so handsome. Oh, that was cheap shot. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's tumbleweeds of cat hair all over the place out here. The worst. I'm gonna have to clean. I'm gonna have to clean all of your tufts. Look at them. Look at them just blowing in the wind. The worst. Oh, Alfred. Oh, I don't think your brother. I don't think your brother wants to play right now. Oh, sweet boy. Did you just hiss? I haven't heard you do that in a long time, babe. Alfred. I don't think he wants to play right now, sweetie. You're a good boy. Sorry, he's bugging you. I know, you just want a nap. You just look at this. Just look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't think you guys realize how accommodating I am and how fortunate you are in the fact that you are exposed to the elements. Well, not so much the elements, but the seasons out here. Oh, now you're gonna be sweet? Such a brotherly connection. Oh, goodness. All right, well, that was exciting. An exciting little update of you two. Yeah, I'm going to perhaps get to cleaning before the next client. Oh, Alfred, give it up, sweetie. He's not having it. Is Betty out here? Let me go check. There you are, little sweet pea. Hi. Hi. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're not even a cat during the summer. You're just like a little Swiffer with legs. Oh, hi. You just need attention. I love you, sweet girl. All right. Next time I film out here, all of this is going to be cleaned up. Oh my gosh. I swear during the summer, like what? No, honey, are you helping? What do you want? During the summer, by the way, a hack, look, you could just do it with your bare hands, but rubber glove, it's like magic. You don't need any fancy hair remover things. Look at that. Hi, I hear you purring, you little nugget. All right. Well, I guess that's it for right now. Another beautiful sunny day out here. And, yeah, you want to say bye? What about you, handsome boy? You want to say bye, pretty girl? You want me to sing you your song? Oh, no, sweetie. Ready, Betty? Betty Boo, and a flippity flops, and a Betty Boo, and there she goes. Oh, God. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Say bye.